So what I want to do is, for now, just go ahead and make sure you take your, take your shot. What I'm looking at is head shots, chest shots, kill shots. I don't want you wounding him in the stomach. All right. Make sure you're gonna be on target. Okay. Compressed high ready. Flashlight left hand or support hand, and engage your target. Go. Okay. Go. Next. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Move, move, move. There you go. Good job, good job. Go. Kind of harp on you guys as far as where's your lights, turn it on, turn it off. You don't want to be giving away, I'm coming, okay? And they know you're coming. So just flash it on, flash it off, got your target, take your shots. All right? We're good with that?
Relax.
Yeah, what you don't want to do is be crossing your legs like this.
Yeah, so how do you move?
Nope. From here, we're just gonna walk. Okay?
One method.
Yeah. You're gonna drop down with one knee.
One knee.
All right? One knee, not both knees. High compress ready? Flashlights ready? Do not turn your flashlights on yet, not until you're down. Okay, you don't want to tell them you're going down. 2 steps forward, down. Take your shots to the head. 2 shots, 3 shots, come back up. Okay, turn your lights on, back up, back up, back up. Anywhere. All right, very good. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna run you guys through. I want you guys to come forward, come back, come forward, come back. That's why the targets are set up that way. I want you guys to, from here, take a shot, move forward, take a shot, here, take a shot, take a shot, move back here, take a shot, move forward, take your shots. All right?
Go.
Go. Forward, back, forward, back, forward. Take both of them on. Here you go. Go, go, go. Forward, forward, back, forward, back, forward. You just got shot. Okay, let's move forward just a little bit so the knees are right down here. Okay, from here, what I want to do is get your flashlight up, stay on your knees, and I want you to lean to the right and take your shots. Go. Lean to the left, take your shots. Stop. Okay, how are we doing? Okay?
I think what's frustrating is it has a dim light and a bright light.
Yeah, it does.
And then it's
Right.
hard to know it's so
because
dim.
you're clicking it too soon.
Yeah.
You see what happens? You go too many times. Okay, good. From here, what we're going to do is go from the 2-knee position to a 1-knee position. All right? We're going to be okay? All right. So you're 2-knee position. Okay, 2 knees. High compress ready. Okay, flashlight on target. Go. Take 2 shots. Back. Knees back down. The other knee comes up. Go. Back down. We'll switch to the other knee again. Go. There you go. Back down. And the next knee. Go. Very good. All right. Good job. How's that working out? You're at different levels. Okay, I'm working you at different levels. Trying to make sure that you're doing okay. You're down prone, you're fine, you're on your knees. Okay, and we're doing it standing up. So we're good right there. All right, I want you to lay on your back now.
Feet forward, head away from the target.
Good, yeah. Hey guys, you want to shoot like that? That's fine. Oh, somebody's got. Okay, we're going to come up and we're going to take shots on our target. situations, guys, you're gonna be running, you're gonna, low light, you're gonna trip, whatever it might be. I'm giving you, going through all these scenarios just in case that might be something you're gonna encounter. Okay, if you trip, you're gonna fall, you're gonna lay on your back, you're gonna trip, you're gonna be prone, okay? Any problems with that? Everybody's doing okay?
Yes.
Oh.
More or less, more or less.